Alright folks, welcome to Candyland. We gotta pick up a few things before we meet Shane. Leaders for his fly rod and whatever. I told him, I tried to tell him catching bluegills on a fly rod was fun. He wouldn't listen to me, so now he gets to listen to me give him crap about it as I supply him with leaders for his fly rod. But I gotta pick up a couple things myself. Okay, so I'm looking for a new topwater frog, because I snagged the one that I had the last time I went fishing trying to catch snakehead, and I couldn't quite get it popped off. There's a popping version of the one I had. I'd really like to get one that was the same color scheme. I'll let you know when I find it. Found the frog. Next order of business, terminal tackle. Need to get some more hooks for my ultralight rod. So these are what I'm looking for. Do I want to go size 12 or size 8? Let's go size 12. I'm going ultralight. Got enough shopping done for me. Let's go get Shane's leaders and get out of here. Done shopping. Let's hit the lake. We made it. Thank God. I got a little lost, but it's kind of rainy, so if the rain lets up, I'll throw you guys in the hat rig and film a little bit. But I am going to try and catch some bluegill. We're going to do a little catch, clean, and cook once we get back to the house. So stay tuned. I'll let you know if we catch anything exciting. You guys are not going to freaking believe this. Shane just threw in and caught this absolute dinosaur of a black crappie.
Yes, sir.
Dude, holy crap.
The pink trout magnet.
Look at the size of that thing. Oh, if I didn't already have 4 bluegill in the bag, I would have told you, dude, god dang, son.
Yes, sir.
If we didn't already have 4 bluegill in the bag, I'd tell you just bring them and I'll slice them up and...
Oh no, we gotta keep this one in the pond. Make more of these.
Oh yeah, 100%. But so, okay, the whole reason he even flipped in here is because I looked down and I see a bed right here, and he's like, oh yeah, all the crappie that I've caught in here came from right here. And I'm like, well, why the didn't you say so before this?
And then I proceeded to catch this awesome crappie. Let's
Dude, oh my god.
let's let him go.
Yeah, get a release on that thing, dude.
I don't want to slip and fall, but I think this should manage as a good release. Goodbye, little friend. Make more. Oh, there we go. Right on the gas. Yes, sir.
Dude. My god, bro. Yeah. There's one there. Might be something on it. Can't tell. There's another one there. Oh, yep, there's something here, alright. I got some bluegill. I got a hit, Shane. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute. Oh, that's something else. That's something else. That's something big. That's something big. Oh my God. Can't tell what it is. Crappie or bluegill, I think. Or crappie or bass. I think crappie. Oh, oh. Come on. Eat it. Eat it. Got him. Here we go. Another stud bluegill. Oh, there we are. Bluegill on the fly. Coming up to it. Dark one coming. Oh. Ah. Hang on. Step back a little bit. That makes 2. Thanks. Uh-oh. Hey Shane, you bring the pliers? Okay, I need them. Little guy. Swim around a bit. He really got that one. The funny thing is, before I showed him the light, Shane was truly averse to the technique of catching bluegill on a fly rod. Oh, and then he brought himself out here and discovered how fun it was, and my man hasn't been the same since. There we go. Gracias, señor. There's a whole nother horde of hungry bluegill over here. I've been having fun all by myself over here catching them. That's, oh! All right. That was an aggressive one. What I was telling the viewership as you were making your way over here with the pliers, so there for the longest time you were truly averse to the art of catching bluegill on a fly rod. These little buggers are feisty. There is no subtlety to the way they're eating this fly. These ones are coming up and rolling on it. Just the way I like them. That makes 3. What do you mean finally? I've been over here catching them while you've been over there piddling with God knows what. Dude, did you see something on that other bed on the way over here? I mean, I know I saw a couple bluegill around it. I need the pliers again. Yeah, these they just keep inhaling it.
Honestly, bro, I have another one. Just keep this one.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, I have another one. Just keep it.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
No worries, bro. Got you.
I'm probably gonna head out when you do because I gotta get those fish cleaned up and.
Yeah, we've been out for a while. We'll probably still find. Surprised I haven't gotten any list of scope. Yeah, opposing figure of fly fishing skills not.
Prowess.
I'm from Ohio. I fish for bass. That makes me a fly fisherman.
I never said that fishing for bass made me a fly fisherman. I said chasing bluegill made me a fly fisherman.
Oh, I know. That's what I said.
Let's see if I can get one more before this rain starts coming back too hot and heavy and I gotta put the camera away. Well guys, I apologize for not doing my normal catch and cook rhythm where you guys watch me in the kitchen, but I didn't have my tripod with me, so I'm just going to go ahead and show off the finished product and give you the taste test review. What we've got are fillets of bluegill, pan fried with panko and Cajun seasoning, and then some potatoes and onions that I just fried in oil. Try one of these little bluegill nuggets first. That Cajun seasoning made it. Not fishy at all. It's real nice, clean, flaky white meat. Holy shit, it's hot. Probably gonna put some salt. And then with potatoes, I just fried them with a little bit of garlic and oil. Yeah. All in all, I would call that a success. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna kick back, relax with a little TV, enjoy my dinner, and I'll catch you on the next one. Fair winds, following seas, tight lines. Love you guys. Bye.